I started my acting career in 1998. When I was 10 years old, that time my friends were telling me about their aim of life. They want to be a doctor, scientist, engineer, police inspector, lawyer, etc. But that time I did not know what is aim of my life. My life was aimless. When I was 20 years old, that time I started to feel that I am different than others. I started to feel that I want to enter in the hearts of everybody. I want to win the heart of world by my deep love. After complete my studies, I started to get a job, and I got many jobs in different companies, but for a few months, as everywhere I was mispaid. I was dismissed from every companies, and then I was jobless. Nobody was with me. I was alone, completely alone. I was traveling here and there with deep mental agony. One day, I was walking on the street at night. I was drunk. Suddenly, an unknown old man came to me and touched my left shoulder. I was surprised to see him. He was telling me that he is a theatre director. Then he asked me about me. I told him everything about my past and present life. Then he told me that forget everything and come to my theatre company. I am feeling that you have a talent in acting which you don't know, he told me. He gave me a job in his theatre company. I was really grateful to him. And then I started my acting career in his theatre company. Anyway, I was in the theatre team almost 5 years. I have learned many things about acting that time, and I have got my way, which I was searching since long time. In that theatre team, after 5 years, I was thinking that now I have need to expand myself to many more people. So I started to go in the film industry. I started to go in the film companies. I started to meet too many film directors, and every film directors was rejected me. Became helpless. Everybody in the film industry is heartless. But I am a born fighter. My heart is always burning to do something in the film industry as an actor. I was determined to be a film actor. I do not want to be defeated. Really, I do not want to be defeated. I was struggling every day to access in the film industry at any cost. And then I started to think to enter in the film industry by another way. I went to some private video companies. They make different kinds of devotional and historical DVDs for sale to the common people. They asked me about my past acting experience. I told them about my acting experience of theatre, and they told me to show different kinds of role to act in front of them. To see my acting, they were satisfied. And then I joined in 3 private video companies as an actor. In that video companies, I was involved 2 years. In that time, my acted many DVDs were released to the markets. and then I started to go again to the film directors of big screen. I went to the film industry with my acted DVDs. I thought these DVDs will be helpful to enter in the film industry. I went to many filmmakers and give them my acted DVDs. But maximum filmmakers told me that they have no time to watch my DVDs. They rejected me again. But two filmmakers were accepted my DVDs and told me they will watch my DVDs. If they like my acting, then they will contact to me. I was very happy. 2 weeks later, a filmmaker called me. I went to him with hopeful heart. He gave me a role of hooligan just for few minutes. Although this role is just for few minutes, but I gladly thank him again and again. It was my first performance on the big screen. Then I was trying to participate in more feature films. I was doing hard struggle. I live alone in a home of my friend. I am struggling again. My life is very hurt.